Install the blue rubberized part of the protector on the front of the CITREX. With the pause button, you can also freeze a curve and perform measurements on it. It makes your device even better. CITREX H5 Education 6 – How to install the protector. With the protector, the CITREX H5 gas flow analyzer stands very stable on your workbench. The protector consists of a rubber stop and a solid bottom. The measuring ports on the back remain accessible. You can use CITREX H5 when it's lying on its back. The protector optimally protects it. Each reading or parameter can be represented graphically or numerically. In the full screen view, you have the option of changing the parameter, the unit of measurement, the gas standard, and the gas type. With the pause button, you can also freeze a curve and perform measurements on it. The CITREX can also be used on its side. Use it as it best suits your needs. It is very easy to mount the protector by following these steps. Install the blue rubberized part of the protector on the front of the CITREX. Turn the CITREX over. Make sure the pre-made openings are aligned precisely. Install the solid black part on the rear of the CITREX and fasten it in place with the 4 screws supplied by the protector. That's it. Installation is complete. Observe how robust the protector is. It makes your device even better. CITREX H5, the best mobile test device in its class.